mind keeps running wild. Phone says it's two, nothing left to do. Found myself down here again, water calling my name. Such a quiet place in this empty space. The ripples keep me company. The ripples keep me company. The ripples keep me company. When sleep won't come away. The ripples keep me company till the break of day. Floating on my back, let the tension fade. Time moves so slow, watch the water flow. Something about tonight makes everything alright. All alone but free, just the pool and me. The ripples keep me company. The ripples keep me company. Yeah, yeah. The ripples keep me company. And sleep won't come my way. The ripples keep me company till the break of day. Let it wash away all my yesterdays. Yeah. Don't need nobody else, just finding myself. The ripples keep me company, and sleep won't come my way. The ripples keep me company till the break of day. The ripples keep me. I've been searching for too long for a calm I couldn't find, till I let the water take me, let it ease my restless mind. Deep inside, where the quiet waters rise. Deep inside, that's where peace lies. Deep blue, let it wash over me. Deep blue, set my spirit free. In the stillness of my room, feel the tides begin to sway. Every breath becomes an ocean as my troubles float away. Deep inside, where the quiet waters rise. Deep inside, that's where peace lies. Deep blue, can you wash over me? Deep blue, can you spirit free? Late at night by the water, just me here. Something familiar in the ripples, moving slow. Looking down, getting closer, almost there. Think I know the face, but different from before. Surface getting clear, and I was there looking back at me. Think I saw you in the reflection, not the same as yesterday. Think I saw you in the reflection, finally seeing change. Every ripple shows another part of me. Time has changed the way I move now, way I feel. Standing still, the water moving, breaking through. All the pieces coming together, something new. Oh, the water knows in the quiet of midnight. Oh, the water shows everything I tried to hide. Think I saw you in the reflection, not the same as yesterday. Think I saw you in the reflection, finally seeing change. Finally seeing, finally feeling. Think I saw you, finally knowing, finally growing. Think I saw you in the reflection. When everyone's gone and the water's still, I pull out my mop, just doing my fill. But something about this place calls to me, in empty halls where no one can see. These marble floors and chandeliers, been watching me hide all these years. Each night I wait till the last guest fades away.